Tell me your news. What about the boat?
It's nearly ready.
Do you trust Floki? Isn't he a great joker?
He's a great boat builder. I trust him to do that.
I won't go under your command. I won't go unless we're all equal.
We are brothers. You and I will always be equal.
Then we must find a crew. Not many men will go against the wishes of Haraldson. Many will be afraid. Some may even go to him and betray us.
I must go, Piss.